Hey boys, so today I'll be showing you how to cook a delicious and easy dish called MAPO tofu, in which you can share with your family at any time of the day or whenever you feel hungry. But first of all, I want to teach you boys a little history about the famous dish called MAPO tofu. So MAPO tofu is famous around the world for being able to incorporate all five basic flavors within itself. This being sour, sweet, bitter, spicy, and salty. Tofu enjoys a history of more than 2,000 years in China. It's high in protein and calcium, as well as being low in cholesterol and fat. Bean curd tofu is made in a variety of ways, and mapo tofu is soft and set in a spicy chili bean sauce, and often topped with mincemeat. First step towards cooking anything is gathering the ingredients. So here I have cooking oil, chives, minced beef, classic Chinese tofu, garlic, soy sauce, chicken salt, rice wine, and chili sauce. Personally, I use Guilin chili sauce because even though it is chili, trust me, it's not that chili. It's full of really good flavor that just goes really well with what we're cooking here, mapo tofu. First step, we are going to get the mincemeat in a bowl and mix it with 1 tablespoon of rice wine and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Make sure you mix it thoroughly, and once that's finished, set it aside. After that, we're going to chop the garlics and the chives. The garlic does not have to be as thin as possible. As long as it's fairly chopped up, it's fine. After that, chop up the chives into sizable bits, then put it beside the meat and the other ingredients. Set the tofu container upside down so it slides out. If it seems a little stuck when taking the container out, just shake the container gently and it should come right out. Next, we want to cut a horizontal line across the tofu and then 4 even vertical cuts along the tofu. Use these cuts to get sizable blocks of tofu. Once that's done, set it aside. After that, turn the wok onto high heat. When the wok is hot enough, put 2 tablespoons of oil into it and place garlic in and wait until the garlic starts to caramelize. When you can see the garlic start to caramelize, place the minced beef in and mix it thoroughly in order to make sure that there are no big clumps of minced meat. When you can see the meat is nearly fully cooked, put 1 tablespoon of chili sauce into it and mix thoroughly. As you let the meat simmer in the chili sauce, carefully place the tofu in, then pour half a cup of water into it and stir very carefully. Then cover with lid and let it simmer for around 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, it should be done. Carefully pour out the mapo tofu into a bowl and top it up with chives. Make sure to serve it hot for the best taste. Thanks boys for watching this video on how to cook mapo tofu. Please make sure to check out our other videos. Thank you.
Keep my hands on myself.